Hello, good day everybody. Welcome to the video. Today in this video I wanted to talk about the in-store pickup orders for Walmart Spark. I did actually just pick up a order for 11 people. It was going 13.2 miles. I waited until it had a plus $7 bonus pay on the order. So I'm currently on my way to the first customer, and I've been timing it too, just to see what the time turns out to be like. It took about 5 to 8 minutes to get all of the order put in the cart and given to me, and it's been 16 minutes now, and I am 5 minutes away from the first customer. So I thought that I would document this, see if this is actually a good option to do these kinds of orders. I know in the past I have said that they aren't worth taking almost always. However, I have recently been seeing some orders that seem like they may be a little bit better to take, like this order. I'll have to throw up a screenshot of the other orders that were going like 20 miles for just about the same amount of pay. So yeah, I thought that I would just document this and be able to share the drive and whatnot, if anything, so that way you guys can see that and just record this whole 11 orders and see if this turns out to be a good order or not. If it was worth my time, or if it was just a waste of time and I could have made more money by doing 1 to 2, maybe 3 different curbside pickup orders. So I will actually just flip my camera around and you guys will be able to see where I'm going, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Alright, now because it's kind of hard to record, I will just pop my trunk. All of the orders are in my trunk, so you guys can kind of see me deliver, but yep, let's get this done. Alright, there's one down. Next one is in 0.2 miles. It says that's 1 minute away. Another left, and I'm right there to the next person. It's a pretty day outside right now. Alright, the next person is 0.3 miles away. It says a minute as well for that one. 2 deliveries down. It's been 25 minutes so far, the whole pickup time and the delivering to those 2 customers. I've gone about 6 of the entire 13.5 miles, and here we are at the next person's house. Alright, so now let's go to customer number 4 out of 11. They are 0.9 miles away. Really need to see about getting something to like record from multiple different positions in my car without needing to like switch my camera back and forth, move it all around and stuff. But yeah, here, enjoy the ride. Alright, so that one was weird. It said that there were supposed to be 4 stickers, but for some reason there was only 2. So I'm not sure if the store did not give me all of the order. But the next customer is 4 minutes away, 1.3 miles. I have 7 total orders left. So we're just about halfway done, and it has been 34 minutes at this point. Not too bad. Usually these take like an hour to an hour and a half to do. So if I mean they pay more than what you're used to getting for a delivery only order, like the curbside pickups, if they do pay, like this one paid $36, it could have went up to $41 if I was to let it sit for another maybe 3 to 4 minutes. But the only thing is that the other ones had just about the same price, like $1 more, but they were 19.4 miles, and the other one I think was 23 miles. They were both for 11 customers as well, so this one was just kind of lucky that it was paying the price that it was, because it it seemed like it should have been a little bit less, and for some reason it was the same as the other orders that were going way further distance than this one. I haven't figured out for the in-store pickup what the order pay is based off of, like if it's based off of the size of the order, because distance doesn't seem to matter at all. And I have seen that the order number sometimes does make a difference. There's 6 people compared to if there's like 12 people, it'll pay more. So yeah, I've yet to figure that out. But when I do, I will definitely let you guys know. 1 minute away, just take a left, take a right, and I'm there. At least I got the big orders out of the way as of now. So all that's left are smaller orders in the back of my car. Gotta climb up some stairs. Okay, I'll be right back. This thing is so sideways. Okay. Next one, 1.4 miles, 4 minutes away. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever done an in-store pickup order, and also if you've done an order and it tells you that you've only scanned 2 out of the 4 stickers, what you did in that case. Oh, my mom's calling me. Give me a second. Hello. What's up? All right. Give me a second. Dad's calling me too. I'll put you on hold for a few minutes. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Oh god, so my mom and my dad called me like nearly the same time, so that was interesting. But yeah, so now I'm on customer, I don't know, this is the, I don't even know, this is like number 8 or something. 1612. Yep, okay, be right back. Alright, so I have 3 orders left. Next one is 3 minutes away. I decided to park here. It's kind of hard to get out of here. Let's see how we're doing it for time while we're at a red light. So it's been 49 minutes right now. And I got 3 customers left. And I have no idea how far I've driven so far. But we're almost done. Hopefully I am done within an hour, and then that would be a $36 hour doing this order. So even though there aren't any tips, that's worth it in my opinion. 36 bucks for 13 miles. Would have been a little faster if I didn't sit there and like question the 2 people order for a bit, but okay, 2 minutes away, almost there. It's right here. Alrighty, 2 orders left. 1 mile to the next customer, and it says it's 4 minutes away. Can we do it in an hour? Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, I went the wrong direction. Now it's 1.2 miles. That's alright, that's alright. Why does there have to be so many fucking stop signs in cities? Crazy amount of stop signs. Which number though? Does it tell me a number? Are you kidding me? You don't want to answer, then alright. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 0.4 miles to the last customer. I don't know why people put their address when they live at like a apartment complex and they don't even put the number that it needs to go to. Hello. Hi.